That's how it's looking. It's already standing. We'll put it here in the back. It's got a hole here in the bottom. This is what they have accomplished so far. You cannot see like the mountains there anymore. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday today. Happy Sunday, happy weekend. What are you guys doing on a weekend? It is a gloomy day today here in the countryside, and it is currently 8 in the morning. I just finished shower and breakfast, and actually today we are gonna be working on my province house. If you guys can remember, I have shared it to you that the house is almost finished, and today we are going to be working on the water tower tank, the water tank tower, whatever. Yeah, so hopefully they will be able to finish it. I have here my brother-in-law and my auntie's partner. They're currently working on it right now. I'm gonna show it to you guys how they're going to build the tower tank. Alright, so I got the materials yesterday and it was being delivered here. So we have these angle bars and we have like metal rebar. I don't know, I'm not so sure. But here we have 2 people working on it right now. So we are gonna be using like angle bar for the tower tank, the tower. So this is what they have accomplished so far. They are using this welding machine, which actually hurts your eyes. That's why they had to cover and wear the glasses. So yeah, they are going to assemble it here for now, and then after that they're going to bring it into the back of the house. I decided to put it at the back of the house so that it will be accessible in the kitchen and in the toilet area. So yeah, that's how it's looking. And currently the tank is over there. Can you guys see? Hello guys, it started to rain. Unfortunately, I'm here in my room because since I already got the mattress cover, we are going to remove now the plastic of the foam. So let's do that. I really don't want to like remove it, to be honest, but we have to. Because it does make a sound every time you move at night. My bed is already finished, and so we're gonna try to test it out if it does make a sound now. 1, 2, 3. It feels so good. It doesn't make a sound anymore. I have another update for the tower tank, guys. It's almost finished, actually. Look. It's here. And this one will be put at the top. Hello, guys. It is 12 p.m. right now. Unfortunately, it's raining so hard. You guys cannot see the mountains anymore. There's like a lot of fog. I'm currently trying to cook our lunch. It's already late lunch, actually. I think we're gonna be having lunch at 1 p.m. I lost track of time, but look at this. It's very white. Look, guys. In the camera, you cannot see that it is raining, but it is. Oh my gosh. Where's the world? You cannot see like the mountains there anymore. I just finished cooking chicken adobo. This is gonna be our lunch. Look, looks yum. Actually, this is already done. We'll just have to taste it, and let's see how does it taste. Yum. Love it. Okay, we're ready to eat. Guys, the rain has stopped. We have finished with our lunch. I'm gonna give you a quick update about the tower tank. We are here outside. That's how it's looking right now. Look. It's almost done, I think. But we lack angle bars, so we need to get more angle bars because we need to put ladder so that whenever we are going to clean the tank, then we can go up. And by the way, the tank is actually here. in this area it's very muddy because it is raining today. It's very gloomy. By the way guys, can you see? This is our little garden. These are sweet potatoes, and look, our spinach is already growing. We have some spring onions. We have our calamansi over there. And then this is our tank. We just put it here in the meantime. It's got a hole here in the bottom and here on the side. Again, this is 500 liters and I got it for about, I'll round it up, so about 6,000 pesos. So that's 120 US dollars. And then we're gonna put it here at the back of the house because that's the toilet. So yes, that's the current situation right now. We have the kids here trying to learn how to cycle, Sarah, and then Scarlett is here. She got her own bike. Look. Look. Update, it is 3 p.m. now and they have finished this. Look, this is going to be the tower tank. So they're not gonna try to put it there at the back. So we will need at least 4 people that will carry this one. There you go. We'll put it here in the back. They've already dig 4 holes here. Can you guys see? 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Okay, so let's check it out. It's already standing up, guys. Look. And then let's try to check the holes that they dig for it. 1, 2, here, 3, and then 4. So yeah, they're gonna put it up here. Good morning guys, it is the next day now. It was raining yesterday, so they were not able to finish. So they are trying to continue it today. It is currently around 9 a.m. I think, and they're gonna try to put a ladder. Huh? So as you guys can see, we have the ladder on. So that whenever we try to clean the tank, then we can go up in there. Hello everyone, before I quickly go to the city, I'm gonna show you what's the current update of the tower tank. So let's go ahead and check it out. Here it is. Look. That's how it's looking. It's already standing. We have the ladder on, and they have this like round thing in the middle, and of course they have to put the bars like there so that it will protect the tank. And then I think they're now gonna put in the tank now. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ari ka lang, kuan katong na ilungag-lungag ba? Ilungag. Ya lungag, kuan sa lang tabon. Go 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 go. Ulusot, ulusot ta ba? Go dada. Ha? Makita.
No.
Masang play pa nini.
Ta-da!
Mas TV guro, nakita.
There you go.
Tatay.
We have the tank.
Ang isa.
Yay! We have the tank now. Hello everyone. I just arrived from the city, and so our tower water tank is already finished. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It looks pretty solid and sturdy enough to hold a 500 liters water. So here it is. Looks nice. So this is how it's looking. It has stairs on, and ta-da! There it is. That's good. Look. So pretty much we were using angle bar, metal rebar, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And we also rented a welding machine since they don't have welding machine. And yes, that is our water tank, guys. I'm happy it's already up. So the next thing I'm going to work on is to get a hose so that we could use this already, and I can finally have a shower and also some water in the kitchen, like in the sink. So yeah, what do you guys think? Is it good? Well, actually it's not totally finished because we still have to put red lid so that the metal wouldn't go rusty. So yeah, my father will do that tomorrow, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's done. It took them 2 days because it was raining, but I think if it wasn't raining, then it will only take them 1 day to do everything. Yeah. If you guys are asking for this tower tank, I think I have probably spent about 5,000 peso or $100 US for just the materials. And then for the labor, I spent $20 US because I only pay for one person, since the other guy is actually my brother-in-law and he doesn't want me to pay. So yeah, that's how it's looking right now. So finally, quite happy.